we've seen some major changes that have some impact in the Portuguese jurisdiction, such as the recent change in the parent subsidiary directive, which has introduced new rules, especially dealing with hybrid instruments. We've seen also, the corporate income tax reform being implemented. Also, 2014 was the year of the discussion of the Portuguese income tax reform, which is a significant change also in terms of the type of rules that previously were applied to individuals. So it's something that within the scope of the financial crisis, it was quite important for the government also to introduce changes in this type of area, because essentially the idea was also to make the regime more interesting and also more efficient to families. So there is more flexibility today for families to choose, for example, whether they should deliver their tax return alone or if they should do it jointly. And also the fact that we have introduced several interesting rules in the past to attract foreign investors in Portugal. We also tried to make some improvements in those rules within the scope of the Portuguese income tax reform. Clients are more and more focused on price issues, of course, so they demand a lot of efficiency from tax lawyers. The fact that today, taxation means more money in the pockets of clients made our role much more important as a lawyer. And so in that respect, I think clients clearly, they demand value-added solutions more than just legal services. And on top of that, we see also a big trend for internationalization of services. So most of our clients, both Portuguese and international, of course, they demand from us different type of knowledge from the one they typically demanded in the past. Today we need to understand not only the domestic rules, but of course know what are the big trends in terms of international rules, and even in some cases understand some jurisdictions rules that may be also relevant for the specific case we are dealing with. I like to see challenges as opportunities, and in fact I believe that the internationalization of services is definitely a huge step for Portuguese law firms. It's something that started a few years ago with, the crisis itself. It made most of the firms reflect on how they could increase their margins and also increase their market. The fact that we have several Portuguese-speaking countries that are in the need for legal services, quality legal services, and the fact that it is possible today to partner with some of the local firms to provide quality services in these jurisdictions, it was a big opportunity for Portuguese firms. My idea is that Portuguese firms, besides looking at Portuguese-speaking countries, they will also look in the next years to come to opportunities in different markets where they feel that they can bring some value added.